And good morning. Let's take a look here. Today we have bell work, but before we get started, those of you who missed the Chapter 8 test and have come to see me, or even if you didn't come to see me, there is a sign up sheet on the wall. Make sure you sign up for that, and I will open it up for this weekend. If you do not sign up, it will not be open. A patent protects your idea or invention. Okay, an invention is an idea. It could be a modification of something that already exists. That would be called an innovation. A trademark is a logo, like Toyota or Chrysler logo. Okay, let's take a look. Open your book now to page 534. All right, I want to go over examples 2 and 6. So let's take a look at those. All right, so I'm on page 534. Okay, and the way this works, in case you didn't figure it out yesterday, is you have a table down here where my hand is, and this table is a randomly generated survey. This one has 3 digits, 977 participants. And what you do is you randomly pick a line from this chart here, and they picked number 11. And so since this one has 3 digits, then you use 3 digits on your parent. So if you look here at line 11, these are the first 3 digits, and that is one parent. And then you skip, it's another parent, so on and so forth. And right here, it kind of goes into the next table, okay, or line 12. And then you keep picking until you get your random list of parents. Now, I think this one here was skipped because one of these was skipped because there is no parent with that number. So you would skip it. Okay, and that's how that works. And then the other thing is standard deviation. And there's a chart in the back of the book, but I want to point this out. But for right now, go to page 538. Okay, and on this page, if you look, they give you a formula here. Okay, so you have the original, which is an average mean of 5.8. And then you have your standard deviation down here. The new average for 100 of them is 8.8. So you take the new average of 8.8 minus the old average of 5.8, and then you divide it by whatever standard deviation they tell you, and that gives you the z-score. And then you look in the back of the book and you find it on the z-table. Okay, also down here they say that the area above that mark, 8.8, is 1. Okay, the whole thing. And so you take 1 minus, I guess this number came from the table, you move your decimal over 2 spots and it becomes 32%. But that's how you work that one right there, okay? So what I want to do now is your assignment is to work this worksheet. And I do have the answers, and I want to show you the answers as we go, but you must show some work. So I'm going to put up here, as usual, show work, okay? Make sure you do. No work, no credit, okay? And so here we go. Here's worksheet A. If you're sitting at home and you need it, it will be on Canvas as well. Okay, there it is. And then you switch to the back side, which looks like this. Okay, so refer back to example 2 if you need to, and example 6 as well. All right, if that survey had 5 numbers, then you would use 5 numbers. Let's turn our attention now to the 7th period here. You're going to graph those 2. We're going to watch some videos on logarithms, and we're going to work this page for today. So have a good morning.